Unfortunately, the leopard here just kind of blends in with the background. He's really, of
course,
well camouflaged,
that's
right?
the technique. That's why they are like that.
But if I asked you, what's this photo about? If I asked Greg, what's this photo about? He'd go, it's about the stick on the right. It's about this tree on the left. No, it's about the leopard. So I would crop way in tight on the leopard.
Right.
I would get in like way in like this, maybe even a tad tighter. Because I think you have a dynamic photo here.
Yeah, it's right in there.
Let me just kind of move over just a hair. There we go. Yeah, now.
That's the photo.
So the unfortunate thing is it's backlit and it's very bright back there. So let's just go see. Let's hit the masking and just see. Well, you know, before we get to that, let's stop. Hold on. Let me go back to let's just hit edit and see where we are. And we can also go to Adobe Landscape. And you know what? I don't think I like the color as well. I think the color looked a little better here in this particular one. Now we can go and maybe raise the contrast a little. So let's go, and I think what I want to do is bring the leopard out. So let's go to objects.
Yeah,
easy enough. All right, I think I want to make him a little brighter, or her, and add a little more contrast. And I don't want to make it look artificial, so I got to be careful.
Yeah, you do. That's where, when you're doing that stuff, it's little micro adjustments. It's not much.
Yeah, I'm like, I almost rather open up the shadows look too. Yeah. No. Hey, yeah, no. Whoa. I wonder if maybe going the other way. No, because I was thinking maybe we make him darker.
What you could do is then darken. If you darken the sky now, it might offset.
Yeah, we're gonna. Well, I'm gonna darken the whole background.
Yeah, darken the whole background.
Let's just see. Yeah. Here's what's gonna happen. Watch. If I choose select background, it's gonna select everything. Look at that. Yeah. So let's go subtract. Subject. No, it's gonna subtract that stupid area over there. Okay, subtract.
I have to do select sky.
Select object. Subtract.
Object,
and we'll just say subtract him. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, but now you need that sky back.
Oh, crud. Okay. So
try add sky. See what happens.
Or
add subject.
I'll just brush it in. Why am I trying to outsmart it? Let's just. All right. So I added it back in by painting with the brush.
Yep.
All right. Now I would think maybe darkening the background a little bit would help.
Yeah.
You gotta be careful though, because I don't want to make it look like the tiger's pasted in afterwards. Let's go or the leopard. Sorry. Let's go hit the select sky, and then lower that a little bit. I don't want it to look gray.
Maybe add some blue to it.
I was gonna go add a little blue. All right. All right, and then let's try this.
Now I think the leopard's a little bright.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to leopard. Yeah. Was it this one?
Yeah.
And then because we don't have to make it brighter to draw the eye, but we could make it sharper. So we could go in here and do texture and clarity.
What about lens blur? Too.
I don't know. They look close to the same plane. I mean, I can try it. Let's try it.
Well, it's going to be for those leaves in the background.
Yeah.
Maybe the leaves in the foreground. But I don't know.
We'll try it. We'll try it.
Yeah, that's pretty crappy. Because it has it wrong, too. It has that front branch as a background element.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would just bail on that.
I'm bailing.
Bail on that.
Bailing. All right, I bailed it. I was going to go and add a pretty significant vignette.
Ooh, that's helping. That's really helping.
So we're kind of in there. And if we could put some kind of a creative profile on here, I think that might pull it all together. Let's go down here to artistic. Let's see if we can find a profile that pulls it all together.
That's not bad. That one.
That one right there?
That one's
or
not
this
bad.
one?
I like that one too.
It's kind of bluish. Let's go down here to, let's look at the modern. You gotta look on my screen. Don't look on the big screen because that thing's a little throwing. And that one's not bad.
Yeah,
Modern
not
03.
I like that one.
Yeah, that one looks pretty good. Still a little worried about the leopard being too bright.
Yeah, I can see that.
And then go drop a little topaz on it. And I'll put the sharpen model back on so it determines. Oh, yeah, look at that nice sharpness. Woo! Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that.